Hey everybody, it's design time. Several weeks ago, I posted on my other channel asking viewers if they felt they had a room in their home that needed a little bit of design help. My plan was to choose a room and do a video where I talked about what I would do in order to make that space a little more stylish. Well, I got a lot of great responses, and today we are going to tackle the Cream Nightmare, aka my kitchen, and this was sent in by Carrie from Michigan. And I have 3 pictures here of her Cream Nightmare, and we're going to go through those, and then I am going to go step by step on what I would do. And I have to say, I have high hopes for this kitchen. Kitchens are pretty easy. Well, I wouldn't say easy, but yeah, to dress up. Here's the first picture, and as you can see, there's a lot of beige. The cabinet doors are beige and the countertops. But the main thing that I am seeing here is the very flat cabinet doors and the fact that the background of these cabinets is a different color. It's a wood color. Okay, next. So now we're looking at the kitchen from the other way, and there are some glass cabinets that are framed in that wood. Lots of drawers and not an island, but an L for a bar. Next. All right, there are a ton of cabinets in this kitchen. Okay, so here we go. The first thing that I would do in this Cream Nightmare is add some dimension to the cabinet doors as well as hardware. It's amazing what these two things can do to a kitchen. You don't need to get new doors. You need to just work on the ones that you have. Now you can take cabinet doors and put molding or chair rail or what have you, but I find that making them shaker style is so much easier. You don't have to take your miter saw and make sure that you have a 45-degree angle. Since these are straight, all you need is to make a straight cut. Anyway, that's easily done with plywood that's been cut into 2-inch strips. And when measured out, you can just do one door after another. Instead of explaining exactly how to do all of this on video, I am just going to give the advice of doing it and put any instructional videos or websites that will tell you step by step how to do it in the description box below, not only for Carrie to do, but for any of you viewers out there who want to do it as well. So when all the cabinet doors are off, we're gonna need to paint that background wood color, the same color as the cabinet doors. Normally I would say to just paint the whole kitchen a bright white, but since there are those window paned cabinet doors, you could mix it up very easily by painting those bright white and the rest of the kitchen gray. That is if you want to add some color. So here's an example of how shaker cabinets look gray and the before and after in white. Now, I think the most expensive part of redoing this kitchen or adding to this kitchen would be the hardware. But if you look hard, you can find sets in like tens and dozens, and you save money that way for sure. And I consider that a very fun decorative part of redoing your kitchen. It's kind of like your cabinet doors are wearing earrings and you get to pick those out. Is that a bad analogy? I think so. Now countertops are tough, so I'm just going to leave those the way they are, but the area around the bar, let's get that picture. There looks to be a cabinet on the left where the pet bowls are. There is a complete flat area that goes around to the side that has no cabinet doors or drawers, and that can very easily be updated and look great by using beadboard. And what beadboard is it's just a very thin plywood that has grooves in it. And once you nail it on there and paint it, it dresses that flat area up and makes it look finished. So we did the beadboard thing on our kitchen L. It was a wood color, and first we tried painting it, but then I thought I wanted some texture, so we nailed the beadboard on there and painted it, and it looks so much better. All right, I am not great at doing this virtual redesign thing, but I am going to work on it. Here is a picture where I started to actually make the cabinet doors shaker and put some hardware on them. Again, this is just a for instance in the color white. I also think gray would look great in this kitchen if you do the contrast with the window doors, bright white. Anyway, I think that's it for this Cream Nightmare. Let's see what it will turn into. White dream or gray dream. we'll see. If any of you viewers out there have a room in your home that you feel could use a little bit of fixing up, there's instructions down below in the description box that tells you exactly how to send photos to me and perhaps eventually make a video out of it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video, the first one in the series that is yet to be named. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. I'll see you next time on Design Time. Bye!